Amazing, these are extremely powerful off-road vehicles that can safely and quickly cross swamps. These off-road vehicles are up to standard, with large wheels and light weight playing an important role in the design. The off-road drivers here are technically excellent people, with a deep knowledge of how to work with difficult terrain types. Dramatic view of a tractor pulling a log truck on the roads of Bandeirans, Rondônia. The truck loaded with wood was so heavy that the tractor had to make another plan to pull the truck out of this muddy road.
Видел авария?
Нет.
Вот, машина врезалась. Дым идет.
Твою мать!
This is definitely one of those scary roads that any driver would not want to go through. It takes people around to push from the back of the car to pass this difficult road.
Придурок.
Нет, нет, нет!
A truck had a problem on the road in the northeast. Immediately a 966 bulldozer that was nearby arrived in time to rescue. The quickness and determination brought the 966 bulldozer towards the truck by the ingenuity of the driver. With the powerful support of the bulldozer, the truck was finally freed from the dangerous situation.
Ебать, ебать, блядь.
admirable for the creator of this military truck. The truck is like a blue monster up and down a 3-meter-long ravine simply. The truck had a hard time getting through this muddy road after a long time.
Ох ты, смотри.
Господи, помилуй. Что, этот дебил, что ли, виноват?
Да.
Поставь.
Tractor. The towed truck was safely and quickly pulled up. The super strong Perkins with a powerful engine is transporting tons of wood to its home. The 6X6M818 military tractor truck is an impressive off-road vehicle designed for rugged terrain and demanding situations.
These lockers, you get right out of here.
With a 6-wheel drive configuration, this truck is equipped to handle a variety of challenging environments, making it an essential military asset.
There you go!
Ох, ебать, блядь.
This is a very powerful massif that can go back and forth through a muddy road like this very smoothly. This is one of the rugged trails of the rainforest, where not every car dares to go, but this powerful truck bravely overcomes the difficulties.
Чего потом посещать?
Да.
Опа!
Truly admirable. The operator of the KMZ bulldozer, bravely towing the truck across this treacherous waterlogged road. The car got stuck in a deep puddle on the dirt road after heavy rain.
E o cabo tá esticado, e o azulão tá patinando as 4 rodas. E o cabo tá puxando. Agora tá todo mundo patinando as rodas.
Fortunately, help from a powerful tow truck came to pull the stuck vehicle out of this predicament.
A bicha vem puxando o barro. Até parece uma patrola.
After a period of unremitting efforts, the car finally got off the bad road. It's amazing how a large Tatra truck can climb such steep slopes. Hats off to the driver's excellent driving skills.
Je to tak. Sjezd směrem dolů, rychlý,
Блядь!
By using rails instead of wheels, bed trucks are capable of distributing weight over a larger surface area, reducing ground pressure. The incredibly robust John Deere tractor effortlessly pulled the truck, which was 3 times its size, out of the deep pit.
Тормози, вот долбоёб. Тормози. Ебать её, урод.
Ты чё, ебать, курила?
Besides, this tractor is also trying very hard to pull the tank truck through the muddy road.